but I finished checking it out. I had one of my guys ask me or say that I need to give me a mobile generator too. I guess he think I just show up to other people's sites and use their equipment all the time and I ain't getting no payment. Hey man, I'm getting to the money, man. You just don't, sometimes you ain't got to tell your left hand what your right hand doing to get a bag. A lot of times on these job sites, majority of them where you can really win, they got 220 and 480 power source. So if you got a portable generator like a Lincoln 250 that you can weld any size rod, which that's what I have, you can weld any size rod with that one, and you can keep it in your trunk or in your thing, and you can hook it up in a boom lift or a scissor lift or some type of a generator. So either way is a win-win. Hold on.